Yeah. Do we spray? We get this question a lot. Is people think that if you spray, it's completely different from if you brush and roll. They're one and the same. It's just two ways to get a task done. And so we do both. We spray and we brush and we roll. And so with that, what may change that answer is, what we like to say is, if it's going to be one coat of paint, there's almost never a reason to spray, because you have to spend a whole day covering up areas to keep the spray off of certain items that you don't want painted, and then you're going to come through and put one coat of paint. But if it's multiple coats of paint and the room doesn't take a ton of covering up to do, then spraying is your obvious answer. And so we come through and spray. That's on exteriors. Most of those are sprayed in a lot of ways. Interiors, it's more of a case-by-case basis. Cabinetry, all doors and drawer fronts are sprayed. All styles and framework are painted, brush and rolled on site to match the spray pattern. So we use a hybrid of both, and there's no painter in the world that can use just one or the other. You really need both to be successful this day and age.